Sublistar Innovative Sustainable Powderless DTF Printer. No powder coating is required, allowing for beautiful designs to be presented in a lightweight, ultra-thin finish. The printed garments are soft and comfortable, gently fitting against your skin, ensuring you a wonderful wearing experience. No need to use DTF powder anymore, fundamentally reducing dust pollution and harmful gas emissions. The noise during operation is greatly reduced, creating a more comfortable and quiet working environment for operators. Equipped with 4 original Epson i3200A1 nozzles, it perfectly provides vivid color output with a maximum printing accuracy of up to 2400 dpi. Greatly improve the printing efficiency of DTF printers, reduce damage caused by replacing nozzles, and reduce the difficulty of replacement. No need to worry about powder residue or stubborn stains, making it easier to keep the machine in optimal condition and reduce the use of irritating chemicals. 7 liters large capacity continuous ink tank supply system, also supports bag ink installation. 7-inch PLC color screen, clearer, higher specifications, better operating experience. Sublistar DTF 6004G Powderless DTF. Printing your future today.